5 things to consider when getting a gutter guard installation. Are you tired of cleaning out your gutters on your Muncie, Indiana home? A gutter guard installation may be just what you need. Here's 5 things to consider when choosing your gutter guards and your installation company. There's no point in protecting clogged gutters. Choose a company that will clean your gutters before they install your gutter guards. You also need to ensure your gutters are healthy. If they are damaged, now is the time to have them replaced with Clemens 6-inch seamless gutters. Choosing the right material for your gutter guards is essential. Mesh is the ideal spot for debris to get stuck. Metal eventually rusts and breaks down. However, aluminum is perfect because it protects the gutters for its entire lifespan. Don't choose a material that needs to be fastened to your roof. Eventually, this can lead to leaks. Choose a gutter guard like LeafX that can snap over most existing gutters with no need for putting holes in your home. Finally, hire a trained professional who is going to take care of the job the right way. Call us at Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 for an expertly installed LeafX gutter guard system.